Hi, this is Monica. Welcome back to my channel, Suds and Bees. In today's video, we will be making this beautiful Christmas candle. I got this glass at the dollar store and it came with the little Santa Claus that says down the hatch. I have used joy wax for the bottom of my vessel because I feel that joy wax really adheres to the container and you don't really have to mess with it too much. For the top, I am using 50% joy wax and 50% Pillar of Bliss, and I'm using an Eco 8 wick for this container. I have scented the main part with eggnog and colored it with a little bit of yellow, and the whipped cream I have scented it with eggnog as well, and I sprinkled a little bit of the Christmas sprinkles and sprayed it with a little bit of Eco glitter. So come on, let's go make it. There we go. We have the eggnog Santa Claus candle. Thank you for watching. See you next time.